Unlock a universe of new viewers with YouTube Shorts. Why Euro? Here's your ultimate guide to uploading them. First, grab your phone. You can either shoot a brand new video directly within the YouTube app or select a pre-recorded clip from your camera roll. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your YouTube screen, just like you would to upload a regular video. From the options that appear, select Create a Short. This opens up YouTube's Shorts Creation Studio. You have a few seconds to record, so think about making it punchy. You can also tap the 15s button to adjust the recording time up to 60 seconds, and even use the timer for hands-free recording. Once you've captured your masterpiece, it's time to polish it. You can trim your clip, add engaging text overlays, choose from a vast library of trending music to set the mood, and even apply fun filters to give it that extra sparkle. After you're happy with your edits, tap Next. This is where you add your title. Make it catchy and descriptive, as this is what will draw viewers in. Don't forget to include relevant hashtags in your title or description for maximum discoverability. Use hashtag YouTube Shorts, then simply tap the Upload Shorts button. Congratulations! Your short is live and ready to be discovered by millions. This is your fast track to reaching a wider audience with concise, captivating content, boosting your channel's visibility and growth. Start creating and uploading your own YouTube Shorts today.